Well, I'm outside Breckenridge, and I might have found myself some free camping. Let's go see. This is a sweet road, are you kidding me? Score! Check out this camping probably. These two ladies just stopped me back there and said the raspberries are going off right now, so I'm gonna try to stop and grab some to throw on my breakfast. But I guess there's a lot of good camping up here, they're saying, and this is like an old railroad that goes up and over a pass. This road is super cool. Not what I was expecting at all. Baker's Tank Trail. That looks pretty gnarly. So we're on Boreas Pass Road right now, heading towards the pass. I just found out this goes all the way through to the town of Como, which is sweet. So maybe we'll just drive up here and try to get over this pass. Nothing but Jeeps, but let's go for it. Whew, it's pretty. Look at this drive. Sweet, check it out. That was the easiest pass I've ever driven in Colorado. It's absolutely beautiful out this evening. Might just spend the night up here. Found our spot for the night. Pretty stoked on it. Up in the high country. I was like seeing how the trucks, oh no! I had a full drink. Oh! I forgot that was in here. It is time to do some grilling. I just happen to have a delicious ribeye steak. I would do a salad too, probably. I'm gonna drink my new favorite drink in the world, Blueberry Mojito by Denali Spirits. This stuff is 13-point-something%. It's literally vodka and Alaskan blueberries. Homemade vodka. It's delicious. Let's get that grill going. This dry rub is awesome. I got it at Lowe's or Home Depot, I can't remember. On a side note, I made this ammo can fire pit. Here, I'll just show you guys really quick. So essentially you just take an ammo can and fill it with wax, fill it with cardboard, and it makes a giant candle that turns into a fire that you can close and put it around anywhere with you, but you have to add wax to it. So I called around and I found a thrift store that had some candles that they're looking to get rid of for free. And candles are actually pretty expensive. Like that's probably a $12 candle right there. So I'm gonna melt these into there and restock up my box here, my firebox. Just seemed like a good time to do it since I'm doing this other stuff. I almost need to restock the cardboard is a problem though. And what this does is just make like an instant fire pit. So it's pretty sweet. When it really gets going, like get a pretty big flame out of it. You get like a 2-foot tall flame eventually. But anyway, we're gonna add some wax to it because we need to. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So let that one melt down and put a couple more in there. Ooh, that looks good. The candle's getting there. You can tell it's kind of melting down. Let's save the other half for tomorrow. Yep, just hooked it up. Oh, my steak's on fire. Hold on. Whew. It's always been hard to like eat and breathe at the same time, especially like over 11,000 feet where I'm at right now. I don't know what it is. I have my nose broken really bad. Whew. When I was in 6th grade, crushed in. Haven't been able to breathe out of it for most of my life, so I'm going to try to get a deviated septum surgery when I get back to Alaska, where they drill in your sinuses and drill it out. So the candle's really melting down. I think this is, we're going to call that done. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty chilly up here. It's like just almost below 40 degrees and the sun's still up. There's a tasty salad. Got my Amazon fire. Looks like that one piece of wax is almost melted down. I'll have to add some more cardboard in there probably. And we're gonna crack this drink and eat that ribeye on the grill. Ooh, it's deliciously strong. This is it though. I mean, this is why I love being on the road right here. Beautiful evening out. Bon appetit. Mm-hmm. Looks like our candle has melted in there. A lot more wax, but usually the cardboard's all the way up to the top. I just didn't keep throwing wax in, so it burned down a little bit, but that's good enough for now. So let's go ahead and close it, put the fire out. And just like that, boom. While I have you guys here for a second, I just want to thank you for your support on this channel and for watching the videos and just coming along for the ride with me. I honestly couldn't do it without you guys. I'd still be adventuring, but there's no way I could afford to drive 15,000 miles last year and this year without YouTube and without your support. So I just want to genuinely thank you guys for that, and I'll keep doing it as long as I can. That's all I got to say. All right, I had myself a little drinky poo, and I'm playing a banjo now. I forgot the lyrics. Totally a fox over here. That's so cool. You're silly, man. And beautiful night up here in the pass. Check out all the stars. There's the old Alaska state flag up there. Old Big Dipper. It's 3:30 in the morning. I woke up, I can't breathe because I'm camped out too high. It's only like 11,300 feet or something, but I've got to drive down the mountain right now so I can breathe. Whew. Anyway, let's go. Come on, Bluis. Old trusty 7.3. Yes. We're up on top of Boreal Pass back there, which isn't too high. Like I was saying, it's like 11,200-ish feet or something like that, but it's high for me. Let's get our day started here. So we're here at the dog park. I think it's called Carter Park, so get the bike off. We're gonna go do Barnet Flow Trail. See what happens. So the switchbacks, I guess you go up there and head up about a mile or so, and then hit Barney Flow. Ooh, it's low. Oh well. And downtown Breckenridge is like right down there. This is called the Barney Flow Trail I'm trying to get to, so I'm gonna go about a mile up. It's supposed to be a really fun, flowy downhill. Tell you what, some of you guys know my cabin in Alaska is 17 feet above sea level. Literally close to the ocean. I'm at like around 8,000 feet, maybe higher. I'm so out of breath. We reached the first intersection in the trail. Looks like Moonstone is to the left, so we need to go that way. All right, Moonstone to the right. Carter Park, Moonstone, so we need to go off to the right. We go up Moonstone and down Barney Flow. Almost like a loop. It's kind of a funny trail if you start looking around.
whole bunch of beads in the trees. And you look down, it's bedazzled shrooms. There's like art installations. It's all recycled materials. It's making little art installations in the woods. Stop and smell the roses, right? Just more bedazzled shrooms. On we go. So we just reached the very top of Moonstone Trail, and Barney Flow Trail, boom, 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 is literally right there. One thing I've noticed is most people these days have full suspension. I'm still rocking a hardtail over here. A new hardtail, the geometry is awesome on it. It's a 2022 Salsa Timberjack. Great bike. They have all this dropping seat post technology. It wasn't around when I used to work in bike shops and stuff, but press a button, seat comes up. Press the button, sit on it, seat goes down. So when you're doing downhill, you just drop your seat like that. It's pretty sweet. Let's go. That probably took me, I want to say 20 minutes to get up here, and not necessarily taking my time. I only stopped one time to check out that art. It's definitely steep, but very doable. Just gonna drop my seat post, and here we go. Log ride. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh God. First time I ever tried to ride a log. My gearing too high. Ooh. Whew. Cool. Oh, we gotta try that. We gotta try that. Oh, come out. What do you guys think? Let's try it. Don't even know how to shift my bike. I'm about to ride this log. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if I want to do that again. Let's not. Almost felt out of control. Yeah. I'm satisfied. I got my first log ride in. It was chill, mainly because I didn't fall. It's a sweet trail. It's pretty smooth for the most part. And we're back on Moonstone now, obviously. That literally took like 3 minutes to ride that. We were back at the camper. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that was really short. Like I was saying, that was 20 minutes to get up Moonstone and probably less than 5 minutes to get down the whole thing. That's me stopping and riding the log. Highly recommend it if you're in the area. Just go hit it. Doesn't take long at all, and it was super fun. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to, or not. We'll see you on the next one either way. Peace, y'all. I think this is, we're gonna call that done. Does it look done to you?